Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to add yes/no columns in Excel. Click on the cell where you want the yes/no dropdown to appear. You can select a single cell to test, or drag to select multiple cells at once. The selected cell or cells will be highlighted, and you'll see the cell reference in the name box at the top left. Click on the Data tab in the Excel ribbon at the top of the window. The ribbon will switch to show all the data-related tools. In the Data Tools section, click the Data Validation button. It usually has an icon with a green checkmark and a red circle. This opens the Data Validation dialog box. In the Settings tab, click the drop-down next to Allow and select List. Once you do that, a source field will appear below. In the source field, type yes/no. That's yes, no, with no space after the comma. Check that the in-cell drop-down checkbox is ticked. It's just below the source field. If this isn't checked, the drop-down arrow won't appear. Click OK at the bottom of the dialog box to apply the validation rule. The dialog closes and you're back at your worksheet. When you click on the cell, a small drop-down arrow appears on the right side. Click the drop-down arrow and select either yes or no from the list that pops up. Here are a few things to know. If you want to copy this drop-down to other cells, click the bottom right corner of the cell, that's the fill handle, and drag down to copy it across. If you try typing anything other than yes or no into one of these cells, Excel will show an error message. You can also open the drop-down without your mouse by selecting the cell and pressing Alt plus the down arrow key. That's how you add yes/no columns in Excel.